everyone.
Hi.
I'm now standing in front of you to set forth mine in professional speaking challenge of Saturday Speaking Club of our Aceh English community. So it entitled Little Things to Save Environment. You know that most people are constantly learning how they can make a different things to make this world safe. Fortunately, I have learned a lot of things how to save this environment. It's very simple ways, right? So how can we arrange our attitude? How can we preserve our resources as well? So the first thing is use reusable bags. You know, plastic grocery type bag that get thrown out end up in landfills and other parts in our environment. It leads to suffocate animals who get stuck on them. It is a pity thing. So what should you do? You can use reusable bags. You can buy a new one, a reusable plastic bag, and put them in your box of transportation means, like car or vehicle. I really hope that in the future more and more stores offer discount for you who bring reusable plastic bags. So it is better yet that you can buy a couple reusable bags and try to make yourself without leave your home without them. So please remember the first thing. And the second is use reusable beverage containers. You know, instead of buying individually packaged drink, please consider use a water bottle like this one. So you can save your environment directly. You know, in developed countries offer some fountains that you can refilling your water bottle from time to time. So not only will this help you save environment, but also it will help your budget as well. So you can save your money for buying a new, a new bottle of drink. So please keep in your mind, use beverage container or water bottle. And recycle is the third. You know, recycling is such a simple thing to do, but not many people do it. So you can search many companies which offer some solution to recycle your waste. Little things you can do is you can put your trash can near your unrecyclable trash can. So you can put a recyclable trash can near your unrecyclable trash can. It is important to separate them. So you can deliver your recyclable waste to a company to recycle easily. And then print as little as necessary is the fourth. You know that many teachers or lecturers wanted us to have every single reading in our class. So you can ask your lecturer or even your supervisor to read the materials with a laptop or electronic reader. It can be less the paper you use. And then the point is with your run this habit, you can reduce the paper use in your class. So, and then the fifth is don't throw your notes away. You know, at the end of the semester, the new student will come for learning the same material you learned before. So, fortunately, most lecturers keep basically the same materials every year with the next student. So ask your lecturer to connect you with new student. You can offer your grid notes to new student who learns in the next semester. So I think I firmly believe that your lecturer will be willing to allow you to give you notes. So please keep your grid notes in your pocket and save them for the next students. And the sixth is try a different method of transport. We don't all have the luxury of walking everywhere, but please try to walking or riding a bike or cycling maybe. You know that many vehicles at the street level polluted the air. We can inhale the polluted air directly. So the better option is you can try cycling, or maybe you can try to get a public transport like a bus or something like that. So not only this will reduce the emission of gas, you will save your money as well. And then save electricity. You know, nowadays many LED lights, like energy efficient light bulbs, instead of using regular bulbs, you can save more energy in your single day. So and then, you know, please keep your appliances electronic off, like TV, radio, or other appliances to save your power. So it will reduce many emission gas, and also reduce our national budget according to the electricity power. And then save water is the eggs. You know, water is wasted more frequently than we can see. So please make sure you turn off your faucet when you are not using it, or please make sure you turn your shower on when you are getting. So I have an ambiguous evidence of this. So when I was building my home up, so I could reduce half of the conventional basin usage. So I can save many water usage in my daily life. Maybe you have to try when you will build your home up. Please take your shower in your bedroom, and you can clean yourself with less water usage. And then grow your food locally is the name. You know, are you more diligent? You have to try it. Planting your food locally. Maybe you have free space in your backyard or in front of your home. So please take some beneficial for this circumstance. You can plant some vegetables. You can plant some vegetables in your free space. So it will reduce some commercial transportation, which release many toxic gas, and you can avoid many harmful chemicals to preserve the vegetable. So please put more effort to grow your food, particularly vegetable in your free space, in your area. Last but not least, eco-friendly products is the 10th. It might sound a little bit weird. Eco-friendly products, you know that. This term is growing. Is growing in many developed countries or superpower countries. They try to keep the environment with eco-friendly products. They label in the products with environmentally well behaved. So you can see on the product has a label or more, and you can try to buy this product. But in underdeveloped countries, it is still strange, you know, because it takes more expensive and spend a lot of money. For example, you have to allow many birds to eat some insects to protect your food, your trees or vegetable, rather than use the simple method like pesticides. It sounds a little bit weird, but the world is becoming like this. Okay? And then you know that once you heard from these simple ways, please convince yourself, start saving this planet one emission at a time. Like unique quote said that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So please make sure yourself take your well action to save this planet. Thank you very much.
Oh yeah.